Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we'll unbox and check the new Epson Expression Photo XP-8500 printer. So let's get into it. XP-8500 is a 6-color multifunction printer which offers superior performance, small all-in-one design, providing you all the tools you need for your photos, document, and saving you valuable desk space. Some of the top features for this printer are superior image quality with the brilliant 6-color Claria Photo HD ink, which delivers borderless photos up to A4 size with smooth gradations and amazing skin tones. 4 by 6 inch photos in as fast as 10 seconds. Supports automatic two-side printing, saving time and money. With individual ink cartridges, you only replace as you need rather than the conventional processing of having to replace the entire cartridge despite only having consumed one of the many colors it contains. Plus, you save more money by buying the 312 XL high capacity ink cartridges, printing twice more than the standard capacity. Epson's Connect 3 feature makes it easy to print from iPad, iPhone, tablet, smartphones including Wi-Fi Direct 2, intuitive 2.7 LCD touchscreen with gesture navigation. A simple fine swipe is all it takes. You can preview, edit and print photos all without a computer using the built-in USB and memory card slots. Printer is now fully set up and it's ready for printing or scanning. Let's do some quick tests and check the results as well. Final words, the Expression Photo series offers the best of both the worlds, powerful performance and a sleek compact design with all the tools you need for photos, documents while saving valuable desk space. This versatile small-in-one printer is perfect fit for any space in home. Photo printing quality is very good and is still available at a very impressive price point and is definitely recommended. Like always, I will share all the details about the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel and keep sending me your review requests and I will try my best to do them. Thank you.